stay above this zone, the price has got the potential to move higher, and also we expected the market to continue its buying till 5100 and 5120. These are the very potential zone. We expected the market to continue its buying because we had clearly marked this zone, that we identified that this is the zone where the market has a lot of potential to move, and also we expected the market to continue its buying even till 5060. This was our clear expectation. What happened based upon the price action, what happened on the last week. So clearly, as a trend follower, we want the market to stay with the trend completely unless until we identified that we get a clear confirmation that the trend has reversed. We don't go and trade against the trend. That was our clear strategy. And what happened yesterday was that the price opened bit above 5140s, which indicates that the momentum was still with the buying. So what happened after the price movement? You can see the price went up till 5176. So there it found some resistance and the market was consolidating there for a long time. At last the price went and tested this 5180. You can notice that this is the zone where the market provided a lot of resistance. You can see how this zone is. It is full of black and red candlesticks, which indicates the market is finding a strong resistance around 5190 that pushed the market down till 5100. So let us see what happened there. So again you can see there was some good consolidation in this zone, but the market tried to move higher and it went up till 5100 and 5200. So you can see that the market has got a lot of potential, but what happened is that the price couldn't sustain this 5200 and 5200 210 and 5220, because probably this is acting as a major resistance. The failure to sustain this pushed the market clearly down, and it came down and tested our key area again, 5120. It is a very clear drop. You can see how fast the selling is. So it is a clear drop. The price came and tested 5120, where it provided some support, and you can see the level of bounce back we had. It came up till 5180 and the price closed around 5165. So this is a very good rally. Really we can say a very volatile crude market. It is nowadays crude is behaving like the way it should have behaved. So it is a volatile. That is a good news for us, but still we can say that crude is staying in line with the trend. So you can see the market is taking a clear support around 5120, and the expected price opening for today is going to be somewhere around 5150. So we had decreased our expectation. So based upon the NYMEX price, we can say that our expected price opening can be just around 5150. So which indicates that there may be some selling that is happening on the tops. So till now we cannot say that we are not clearly out of danger, because again for today we need something above 5160 to sustain the crude price action. Most importantly, Wednesday is a holiday for us. So tomorrow, tomorrow is a holiday for us, because tomorrow we have crude oil inventory report in NYMEX. It is up for the traders to decide and take that risk. So have that in mind. So clients who are floating their positions in risky areas, please take care of that. What we can do today is that again we will be targeting this 5120 and 5100 zone. Since the market is finding some good support around the zone, we can go for a target till this zone. What we can do is that yesterday we were targeting this till 5050 or 60 also. We expected crude to continue its buying. Now it can be decreased to 5080. The reason was that we just want to be bit safe. Tomorrow is a holiday. We just want to be safe in the market. So and also since the average has also climbed higher, we can say that we can go for buying till 5080, just because we are providing another reason for this is that just decreasing 20 points below 5100. The reason behind was that also the Indian rupee, it is a little bit you can see that we need to make some minor adjustments for the rupee factor also, because rupee is also nowadays playing a key role. So what we can expect is that today we are going to expect the price to stay stay in buying till 5080. Let us see what's going to happen during your trading session, but have a close look around 5160. So this is the key zone. We can see many days and every day you would have seen that price. On last week on 8th you saw this 5060, 160, and you can see on 9th and 10th, you can see on 10th, today 13th, and you can see this price everywhere. So we can say that this is a crucial zone. It may be an intermediate support or resistance, but this can be a good resistance. If the price is not sustaining above this 5160, there are possibilities the market will be pushed down to test this zone again. So let us see what's good based upon the price action, because we cannot deny the fact we are finding a good resistance above 5160. So you can see this zone, we are finding a good resistance here. So we cannot say and deny that completely that the market is completely free for buying. So have a close look into that market, and let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.